Hey, 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 everybody. Welcome and thank you for tuning in. I have finally, and I mean finally, made it back to Port Macquarie. The last time I raced here was probably when I was around 8, I would say. And 8, what was it? 8. I was born in 94, 2006. It's probably 2002? 2002, so 22 years ago. Sounds about right, isn't it? 22. Yeah, well, maths, right? About 22 years ago was the last time I have come to this track. I've obviously been to this track since then, but not racing on it. And I have absolutely missed it because this is one of my favourite tracks, no doubt. I just love the sweeping corners. Even the slow corners are sweeping corners. I just love it. I've always loved this track. In saying that, even though I love it, I've become extremely slow on this track. Back when I was 8 years old, I was one of the fastest on the track. Now, not so fastest. Bear in mind, these tyres were already 100 laps old before I even started this race. Everyone else was on fresh greens, so I was already 100 laps at a disadvantage. By about the finals, the tyres are just given out. Like I was doing the same lines. I was probably getting more confident and braking later and whatnot, but I just couldn't. The tyres couldn't hold on, and yeah, it wasn't great feeling the finals. But all in all, even though I wasn't really on the pace that I wanted to be on, I had to keep in mind that I was on old tyres. At the start of the day, I was about 1.2 seconds off pace from first. End of day, I was 3 tenths at best, 4 tenths consistently. So most of the time I'd be 4 tenths off him. If I was lucky and do a really quick lap, it'd be 3 tenths. So my progression was really good in one day. I'll take that. Hopefully next race at Port I can go and race it on fresh greens and actually test it out on fresh greens. But yeah, great race. All the heats were great. It was a fair few crashes and whatnot here and there, but I was able to avoid them. But yeah, definitely watch all the videos and please like, share and subscribe. Enjoy.